Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So I just want us to understand one thing. I'm not here to attack this woman, okay? Because I know you are seeing her in her picture. But just to recall something for all of us. You see, in this life, you have right to choose or to follow somebody that you want to follow, but follow that person with your brain and your sense. And don't think that you are the only one that have eyes to see what is good and what is bad. The moment you begin to lie to people, the moment you begin to act as if you already know it all, you know everything, everything must pass through you. That is the end of your sense of reason. She said something here, and I believe this is the mentality of most of the people following Nkere. That Nkere is so rich that he single-handedly hand over or dash the office in Maryland to Biafrans. Please, I have to be corrected because I'm not an official member. Like, I'm not in the cabinet. Yeah, that's the word. I'm not a cabinet member. I am not in the government leadership of Biafran government in exile or even in USB. I am not. I'm just an ordinary person like everybody can be. I don't have any post. I don't have any command. I'm not in the leadership whatsoever. I don't have any special intel. But once you come out and make a comment, we will digest it. We will compare it with what you already compare it with what you have seen and what you have heard from other people. Last time I checked, it was Biafrans that used their money to rent, not purchase, rent the head office in Maryland. We all know this, isn't it? Unless, like I said, if there's anything that I don't know, please feel free and correct me on the comment section. I honestly, if I have my way, I would have contacted anybody to verify this, because I'm surprised that someone will come out at this age, at this point in time, to claim what she said here, that Nkere rent, get dash the house, like giving it out for free. That is a shocking, very, very shocking to me, because I don't know that. I have not heard about it. I don't think anybody know anything about this. But claiming it is something that she's saying it with every assurance that Nkere give it out. Please, I want to know, is it true? Because to me, last time I checked, it's not true. Biafrans are the one that funded it, rent it. If you say that he stands as a resident agent, because that is his locality, that's where he resides in America, in Maryland. So if he's the one that maybe search and managed to contact the owner of the house, negotiate with them and pay for it, and he's one of the signature, then I will tell you yes, because that is what everybody has said. That is what is out there. But claiming that he single-handedly used his money to rent that place is shocking. And this woman is not new to the system. She's not new. She's have been there following, government in exile for years now. Now let's go to her statement. I want to hear it directly from her. Pay close attention. No, start from beginning. No, I am going to take it back. Hold on. I'm going to take it back so that you can hear everything she said. I don't want to miss, because I noticed that the volume was not all that loud. Let's try it again and see.
Ndị nwere ụlọ na Washington ka nkụ mmadụ onye nwere ike iwepụta ụlọ ha for free nye Biafra gọọmenti. Ọsọsọ oge Nkere menwuru ya because a businessman nwere onwe ya ezigbo ego. Were ụdị ụlọ amamụ ụlọ agaba ụlọ round, even take 6 minutes. Ọ ya ka na-eji the post the video. 6 minutes video to go around the office oge Nkere donate life for free. For that, then get achievement here. Your useless papa or your useless mama will better. For the name na tunnel in Obodo, for the name street. No see you in America. Ma imam madibu ko madabu do POS sama mana Muhammad Abachina sama. Oh yeah, another group of rich. to Washington every day. You know, look with the lobbyists, our prime minister and our leader, Mazen Nanikan Webster. I wear lobbyists, I wear lawyers, and I put a whole no one your institute school. Here, where any did they go? Any did they go for PLA? Data security needed granite. So came on a bed and got a book in nature. In the channel, Toy take that Washington, they are not on it. And when there's room, men was one man out almost 600. I went a pool. Yes,
$600. Another line.
So my family to put together, and then we can never appreciate. Oh, we may appreciate it. Thank you. I have money, but I will take you. And the TikTok, I see everything. Egom will not save you. You that hate me. Because I cannot use my money to save a hater or Fulani terrorist. Or they are possible. Yeah, hell no. Only Nkere cannot save you, you and your family. Fulani na tiger base will tie them. He said, tell me, he said, Egom Chileno, you see, he had Biafra. I got his save. I'm a wet on. Only one attack. Go see what you receive it west.
Okay, there's not something I noticed just now. She said the office in Washington. Do they have any office in Washington? Do they have any office in Washington? Hear it again.
Otu office I went in Washington.
Otu office I went in Washington. I was in Maryland. And when she's saying this thing, she's displaying the picture of the one in Maryland. And she lives in America. So she don't even know where the office is located. Unless if there's a new office they have now in Washington, which I don't think there is. Because if they do, she would have just put it here. She's the one that made this edit, you know. So you said that go to office I were in Washington, whereas the office is in Maryland. Now you are talking about the office you say you have in Washington, and you are displaying the picture of the office in Maryland. Look at it here before you. The Federal Republic of Maryland in SI headquarters. So you have office in Washington now, eh? Okay, where's the picture of that one you have in Washington? Some of you will say, oh, don't forget about this woman, she's a mad woman. Even if she's a mad woman, but she's trying to broadcast as somebody who is not mad. That's why I have to respond to that. Watch.
Preaching that. On to office I went in Washington. Before Nkere for free. I go well on Washington.
Okay, maybe this one may think that when they had a congressional hearing and congressional hearing and congressional briefing, maybe she thought that the moment they rent that place, I think $3,000 or $2,000 allegedly, because I think I saw it on somewhere on internet. I searched for it though. Maybe she thought that they have rented and it belonged to them. I'm just thinking because that cannot even, once they have handshake, close to any Congress person or any white guy that's passing going their business, they'll call them, go and have handshake, and he just publish it. You think he will rent office in Washington and they're not going to have a very special, carnival event like that? You think they're not going to celebrate it like never before? I don't think so. Yeah.
Washington can come out on preaching that. On to office I went in Washington. Before Nkere for free. I go well on Washington. Ndị mmadụ nọ na Washington ka nkụ mmadụ onye nwere ike iwepụta ụlọ ha for free nye Biafra gọọmenti. Also oge Nkere menwuru ya because ọ a businessman nwere onwe ezigbo ego. Were ụdị ụlọ ahụ amamụ ụlọ ya agabụ nọrọ ahụ ihe o take 6 minutes ọ ya ka na-eji the post to the video. 6 minutes video to go around the office oge Nkere donate the life for free. For that
Now Washington. That's now Washington. Please, I can't wait to read comment on this video. And let me tell you, please use this opportunity and hit the like button. If you have not, yes, please like the video. Why? Because that's the way to push the video for people to know, to hear what this was saying. Maybe from this we can now understand that thing that she's claiming that they're going to have that, dash them, give them free gift office in Washington. office in Washington. I want to learn that. I want to know if that is true. Because last time I checked, there's nothing like that. Nothing.
Your useless papa or your useless.
Unless she's mistaking the renting of that Congress hall, where they had Congress briefing and Congress whatever. Maybe she actually believed that that is they are not own that, and Nkere happened to be the one to pay for it. According to you, and he said that Nkere is a very well business person, well doing very, very well for himself. We actually know the job of COS, her job in US. What's the job of Nkere? What kind of business, what kind of line of business is Nkere doing in US? Because they said is that the guy is, some say that he's patching tire, like pumping tire for organizer. Some say that he's washing car. I don't know. So is it the work that you're talking about? Which is very good. I'm not saying that it's not a good worker, but the way they're presenting him, what would be going in your mind is like maybe he's into gold business, gold mining, gold, maybe into crypto, maybe oil business, because the way they are trying to, elevate him with his business, you cannot just look down like petty work and normal work. The way they're pushing him, that's why I'm asking. Is it only this one that they told us, or is there any other business? I don't know. None of the businesses. I'm not saying the business is very made for the poor, but I don't think that kind of business will generate this kind of money they're talking about.
Yeah. Tunnel n'obodo a, ụfọdụ na-ebi na street nọsịgo na Amerịka, ma ọ bụ ịma mmadụ ka mmadụ abụ ndị DOS Nsama nwanne Mohammed Aba Chinasa Nworu, ọ ya bụ ndị si gị na ha bụkwa another group of rich. E kwesịrị ime onye na-eje Washington everyday, onye na-alụkọ with lobbyist, our prime minister na our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu wepụtara.
Nnamdi Kanu did not whoop the lobbies. This lobby, Elias. Nnamdi Kanu hand is not there. It is time for us to start to say the truth. Nnamdi Kanu is not that he's not against it, but when you say Nnamdi Kanu whooped it sounds like Master Kanu and PM sat down and discussed, and different cabinet members discussed. No, Master Kanu was in DSN when Elias was appointed to become Biafran lobbyist. So if you want to drag Masamakam to that, I think I cannot just keep quiet on that, please. Why? Because we have to stand on the truth. Okay, that is not whether Masakan is part of it or not, it doesn't really add anything, but say it the way it is. For the sake of this your video that you are teaching out live for free, we have to filter it. Maybe you have not been doing that, but I have to filter this particular one.
Lobbies, I were lawyers, and I put a whole no one is school. You have any for BLA, Biafra security need a grant. So
for the past, I'm not saying you should post anything, no, but for the past 5 months, I don't think anything like Biafran Liberation Army from Nkere, even the former one, I don't think they're working. I don't think they're doing anything. Like I said, I start to be corrected. Maybe you know, maybe you see. I don't see anything from them. What they do now is busy asking, what is Ngozi doing? Show me what your USB are doing. What are they doing? What are they saying? Which is somehow questionable, because you cannot keep quiet, minding your business, doing whatever you want to do, and you can only you think that you can question other people of what they're doing. What are you doing on your own? You said that they're not getting it done, they're not doing it well. Since you left, what are you doing differently? Not for this. What I said now is not for him, for her, because I know this has to do with every other people that decided to decamp from different declared, and these ones are something somehow, against PM when PM was here. So I'm not surprised that they can now rally around Nkere, who claimed that he want to become PM by fire by force.
Washington, almost 600.
Honestly, I don't know $600 for you to broadcast. How much is your internet? Yes, it's expensive, but not up to $600. Even if you are broadcasting from Nkere, I don't think it's up to. Even if you are broadcasting from Jupiter, maybe you understand. You understand what I'm talking about? Because the internet you are using, how much is internet in America? I don't know, but it cannot be up to that. Or are you buying gadget every week? Maybe you're buying phone and laptop. Even if you're buying laptop every week, it should be more than $600. But as last time I checked, you can use your laptop for sometimes for years. So why are you saying that you're paying every month 600? And that 600 cannot be 600 naira because you live in America. It should be $600. So in your next video, tell your followers how you are spending $600 to broadcast every month. It should be. I agree, it's expensive. Paying for all this thing is expensive, but not up to $600. You don't need to lie for what one.
You're gonna appreciate. Appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Monday TikTok, I see everybody. Egom will not save you. You that hate me. Because I cannot use my money to.
People with this kind of mentality can never give you freedom. A freedom fighter have this kind of, unquestionable love that is undiluted, like genuine love, loving people that even hate you. Every freedom fighter love everybody I like they don't love because you insult me. Anybody that doing that, it's not a freedom fighter. I don't care. If you are one of those that always hate somebody that talk against or criticize you, you are not a freedom fighter. Freedom fighter don't do that. What they do, what they hate, of course, which is normal thing, is saboteurs. There's difference between I criticize what you're doing, but not sabotaging what you're doing. I criticize what you said. I don't like the way you are going about it. Is different. And I say it and maintain my lane. Not saying it and put it to work by planning and plotting on how to sabotage you, how to leak information, how to arrest you, how to jail you, how to buy somebody. If you think like that, there's nothing like freedom around you. That is gospel truth. Now, if you donate money, for example, to USB government, and you donate that money, and you said what this man said now, that this money will not save, we cannot be of any good use if you don't love me, that donate that money, the money will not be of good use. That means you are a demon. You actually donating the money, looking for that money, waiting for that money to magnet negative energy against those that are supposed to do the good things. So if you have money and you are donating it to any group that you believe in, and you have this kind of stipulation, if you hate me, if you don't like me, like what she said now, that money will not be of good use. You cannot liberate anybody. My money cannot liberate people who believe in me, who love me. You are not a freedom fighter. You are a voodoo person. Because you should give freely. Freely you shall give. Like the Bible said, freely you receive. That is what I have to share with you on this particular this one video. And I want to share other things to us, but for the sake of time, I think I need to cut it here. All right. I will bring to us something, a kind of comparison of one post, excuse me, one post from Sonak Barawa and their camp. I want you to hear what Sonak Barawa said. Take 3 days now, if 3 or 2 days now that they made that post. I just keep it one side. But there's something that I want to compare it with and call your attention to something that most of you know, but you may have forgotten. Because they often ask questions. What is Muhammad doing? What is he doing? Because as long as you are saying the truth, still S is your madam. They see DPM as somebody who have this mighty, strong voodoo that once you come across her, she will magnate you, she will pin you down. Some of them are even rumoring now that she's a pay. Kai report is now receiving. They have been saying that, but those of them who don't say it before have joined them to say that Kai report is on the payroll. I don't know if there's anybody paying anybody, but nobody's paying me anything. Not that I have money, I don't have money. I don't have, but I'm not begging, for food. But if I have a problem, I have people that I run to and they help me. All right? And God also is on the throne. So to some of you that are thinking that saying the truth means that you are being paid, you are lying to yourself, you are deceiving yourself. I have my comment open. Please, just two things I want to know. Is it true that Nkere have office in Washington for their fallback republic? Is it true that Nkere give, maybe because what I understood from her, what she said is somehow confusing. Why? Because she said that the Nkere gave office for free in Washington. But in the same video, she's displaying the picture of the war in Maryland. Don't tell me she's mistaking the state because she lives in America. People like us that are not living in America, how come we know all those things? We were able to differentiate it than her. So maybe just I want to know from you. Let me hear from you and know what you think about it. God bless you. Make sure you like the video. Share it on many platforms of your choice. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. See you again, and make sure, please, and please like this video.